Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.